Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Murli Bharadwaj, your classmate, roommate, reading roommate, YouTube mate, WhatsApp mate, and everything for you to become the NEET PG topper. Every day, our live online sessions on the YouTube are becoming very popular. Hundreds of students are attending, and our WhatsApp groups, study groups, are a big hit with thousands of students joining the group every day. Now you have become my life, and your getting seat has become the mission of my life. A large number of students have requested, Sir, there is only 3 months of time and there is only 10 weeks of time. Why don't you speed up to help us to do the quick revision? So that gives me inspiration to start these free live online YouTube broadcasted sessions on the weekends, on the Saturday and Sunday weekends. So the forthcoming weekend, September 14th, we have the orthopedics 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. 6 hours. We will do a Garmagaram revision. Then on Sunday, September 15th, ophthalmology 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So don't forget to also inform all your friends, everybody, to attend this absolutely free YouTube live online broadcast session as a crash revision for finishing the subjects. If this is successful with about 400-500 students attending, I promise you that every Saturday and Sunday, I will take an opportunity to conduct a day-long session, highly interactive, to make you to do a revision before January when the NEET PG is there. So in every session you have the teacher and the PPT slide and all the students across the country enthusiastically participating in the debate and discussion. And the most important theme of our revision sessions is we want you to be very active. That is the reason we take 40 MCQs, give them as a quiz. We want you to answer this 40 MCQ quiz, fatafat. And every slide will be changing in about 12 seconds. And you will be punching your answers into the YouTube chat screen. And after that, within another 50 minutes, we will do the revision of the concepts behind these 40 MCQs. That is how हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, morning 10 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. So in every subject we will have 25 to 30 hot topics, and we will be doing a revision of around 200 MCQs where these 25 topics are being quickly reviewed, and 350 MCQs in ophthalmology where we do the revision of 30 hot topics. This is very important for even NEET PG, AIMS, PGI, JIPMER or FMGE screening test, any exam that you are taking. Fundamentally, mastering these 25 to 30 topics in every topic, in every subject is the most crucial thing. And हम सब मिलके पढ़ेंगे, हम साथ में पढ़ेंगे और interactively revision करेंगे, and we will remain motivated. And don't forget to tell your friends also to come to this channel, your favorite channel, youtube.com/onlinembbs. यहाँ ज्ञान भी मिलता है, इंस्पिरेशन भी मिलता है, मोटिवेशन भी मिलता है, प्रिपेयर होके टॉपर बनने के लिए, सेल्फ प्रिपेयर होके विदाउट नीड ऑफ एनी कोचिंग प्रोग्राम फॉर यू टू बिकम द टॉपर्स. The best solution in the country is onlinembbs.com, and I am born to make you the toppers. So please don't forget to join the forthcoming Saturday and Sunday, every weekend, Saturday and Sunday sessions of the day-long sessions in order to do the revision with the interactive live session on the YouTube. Thank you.